Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Jabra Enhanced Pro hearing aid, guys. So how do you actually, pair your Jabra Enhanced Pro hearing aid with your smartphone or other Bluetooth devices? So basically by pairing this device, it will let you take advantage of features like a direct audio streaming of calls, music, and more, guys. So what do you actually do, guys? So first things first, guys, you want to check the compatibility and charge of the hearing aids, right? Make sure your Jabra and Hands Pro are fully charged. Okay, as pairing can take a few minutes. These hearing aids are compatible with most iOS and Android devices, but you might want to double check with Jabra or your device settings if you have any questions. So, next things, guys, is you want to turn on Bluetooth on your device. Okay, just turn on Bluetooth on your device. On your smartphone or tablet, go to settings and then Bluetooth. Okay, ensure that the setting is turned on. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. If you're using an iPhone, you'll find a Bluetooth in the main settings menu. For Android, it's usually under connections or network and internet. And then, guys, you want to put the hearing aids in a pairing mode, right? Okay, guys. Next, you just want to put them into pairing mode. This can usually be done by opening and closing the battery doors on each hearing aid, which resets and activates the pairing signal. For rechargeable models, place them in the charging case and then remove them. This should automatically activate pairing mode, okay? Select the hearing aids on your device. Now, back on your smartphone or tablet, look at the list of available Bluetooth devices. You should see something like Jabra Enhanced Pro appear in the list, okay? You just want to tap on it to start the pairing process, guys. You might see a pop-up message asking for permission to pair. Just confirm and you'll be good to go. Then you just want to test the connection, guys. Try and play some audio like a music or podcast to see the connection. And you should hear the audio streaming directly through your hearing aids. You can also go into the Jabra Enhance app if you have it already installed to customize your hearing aid settings and adjust audio preferences, guys. And there you go. Your Jabra Enhance Pro hearing aids are now paired with your device. This lets you stream audio, take calls, and even control hearing aid settings through the Jabra Enhance app. I hope this helps you get set up. And if you have any questions, guys, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. As always,